Hi everyone, it's Øyvind Martinsen here. In this video I'm going to show you how to import photos from your memory card and into Adobe Lightroom. The first thing you have to do is to be in Library module. You see it up here. We are in the library. Then you go down here to import and click the button. Now I just shot 4 pictures of my dog and we see them here. Up here we see the source. This is where the picture comes from, and that is from the memory card. And you see the arrow here, it points to what we're gonna do with the picture. And when you import from your memory card, you always select copy. Don't select move, because if something happens in the process, you will lose your images on the memory card. Always select copy. If you already have a hard drive or already have your images on your computer but want to have them in Lightroom, you can select the add button here. Then you select add. But for now I have a memory card. I select copy. And all these 4 images are checked. And up here is the destination, where you are sending the images. You can send them to an external hard drive, or you can send them into your computer's hard drive. So for now I'm just gonna take it from the memory card. I'm gonna copy it and into my hard drive. See it here. One thing you have to check is don't import suspected duplicates, because then you will not get one picture twice into your Adobe Lightroom catalog. So, and here you can select metadata, and I made this metadata earlier, Lightroom course. I can select that. That is the data that will follow your pictures. So your address and phone and everything will be in each pictures you import. So it's important data to have in the images. And now I'm gonna put some keywords so we can search the images later in the library module. So I'm just gonna put online course. I can write course and separate these words just for to show how you do it. You can write keywords here, and you can start with basic keywords, and then you can add more specific keywords later. But when you import, you always start with basic. So then you can go down to import, and the pictures come into the computer and into Adobe Lightroom catalog. So the photos is on the hard drive, but the images, a virtual copy of the image, is in Adobe Lightroom. So that's our tool now for handling our images and developing them for different uses. Now we have 4 images of my dog here, so it's ready to be edited. So I'm going to talk more of that in a later video.